today, first off, I'm hosting another giveaway. This time it's with Olens for BLACKPINK contacts. We do this a lot, so if you're new here, welcome to the cool kids club. Kind of, we're cool, but like in a different way. And if you are a loyal Linda, thank you from the bottom of my heart for always watching these videos. I hope you guys enjoy this giveaway. I'm wearing Jisoo's Scandi Hazel contacts today. They have become one of my favorite contacts, so all you have to do to cop some of the BLACKPINK contacts that they wear in ice cream, follow Olens Global International Instagram, follow my Instagram, and then comment down below your Instagram. And then for an extra entry, follow me on Twitch. But you don't have to. I just go on and vent. We're gonna be picking 3 winners, so enjoy and enter! I have gained 5 pounds since Nashville. I really felt like I needed to redeem myself because I kind of let myself go. To be honest, no regrets. The food and drinks, full send. Nashville truly has my heart, and 80% of that is because of the food. In this video, you guys are gonna come along with me on my 3-day IU diet, so she thought. So before we hoppity-doppity into the okay at first, I'm gonna puke, I need meat, or I'm gonna eat my own flesh diet. If anything, I hope that my experience can teach you something, especially with the minor trauma my body went through. Okay, I know I sound a little bit dramatic, but I feel like my body kind of went in shock, especially when I cut out all ties with meat. It was like, disclaimer time. Do not do this, just don't. No, not even for 1 day. You are so much better off eating healthy and full meals than to even think about this diet. Of course, this IU diet is known to be super extreme and short term. I hope it's short term for her as well. Either way, I'm not trying to promote this at all. It's not worth it. I decided to try this because I thought it was a good cleanse. Cleanse what? My insanity. And also, I was kind of swayed because you guys did request it under my Jenny diet video. And it can be hard. Regardless, I hope you stay until the end to take away the bigger message I want to send. I put on 5 pounds. I'm back now, and here we are. Day 1, an apple for brekkie, sweet potatoes for lunch, and then a protein shake for dinner. So on this day, I went in with a Fuji apple after my AM workout. The apple could have been better. A little bit watery, which was fine. I was Gucci in the hoochie. I'm currently enjoying a Fuji apple. This apple is not really hitting the spot. My second meal came around. Keep in mind, I don't eat breakfast, so this was technically like dinner for me. I don't eat breakfast because I don't wake up early, okay? I was actually super excited for sweet potatoes because on a normal basis, I do eat sweet potato fries, bake them in my air fryer. So I thought this was gonna be an easy peasy triple chocolate piece of cake with light whipped cream on top. So I went ahead, I baked my sweet potato in whole. I don't really like it like that, but I did it anyway to respect the grind. So this is my potato. Threw on some cilantro I found. But I made it gourmet, alright? I have to. There gotta be some flavor. Wait, that's actually really good. Oh my god. It's super soft and creamy. Okay, well, I'm gonna enjoy my dinner. I waited a couple hours before I was gonna go work out at night. We got to the protein shake. I hate protein shakes. I hate the texture, I hate the smell, I hate the taste. So I was not gonna go out and buy a jug of powder or protein powder or whatever. I landed on protein shakes that were already like pre-made. So I bought this plant-based protein shake. I don't know if it's good or not. I didn't do my research. I just saw it and I just picked it up. You know, whatever. Okay, to be fair, it wasn't that bad. Trying to convince myself like, oh, this is good. This is like chocolate milk. Then I hit like this aftertaste. It's just like a leafy aftertaste. I just downed it. I'm a very picky person. But whatever IU did it, so I'm gonna do it, okay? Went for my workout, did great. Feeling pumped. Okay, we got this. Day 2. Holy crap, I felt fine up until later. Let me tell you. I woke up, I went to the gym, and then I came back, showered, had my apple. Everything went great. Got this. I don't feel like weak, fatigued, tired, hungry, no complaints. Oh, and I forgot, I did take some pre-workout on day 1 and 2. It's just like the energy I need. So I guess that was me catering to my needs. It helps me with my morning workout and also just like keep me sustained throughout the day. So I thought, again. Dear Diary, it was about 3 p.m. when I finished Halloween shopping and walked into my apartment. All was fine until I opened the door, nearly dropping to my knees in tears. This aroma overcame my body as I quickly went into an outer body experience. I tried stopping, but the sensation happened too quick for me to not have done what I have done. By the time I woke up and had a sense of realization, I had already shoved 2 breakfast sausages down my throat, nearly chewing. I failed? So yes, I indeed did cheat. I ate. Okay, I don't know if you can hear me well. So it's day 2. I had an apple after my workout, which was great. And then I ran some errands. I came home. My sister was having sausage, eggs, and bacon. So guess what? I actually went in for 2 sausages. Aroma was so intense. I'm still gonna carry out the rest of the day as she would. Don't really feel fatigued or weak though. Maybe I do, I don't know. Anyway, that is my current update. Yes, I went in for sausages. So technically I failed. My tummy is being sus because of the hunger. Please take for example to not do this. I obviously am depriving my body from what I want. I followed up that evening with 2 sweet potatoes. By this time, I was so sick of sweet potatoes, which is weird. I guess the way I ate it in whole the day before kind of just like gave me this sickening feeling. Maybe too mushy, maybe too sweet, I don't know. I was not feeling it. So I tried tricking my mind by cutting it up into fries and baking it that way. I still didn't want it. I literally finished not even half. It's almost the same feeling when you drink way too much water that you feel like you're gonna puke, but in a car-sick way. You get what I mean? A new car smell and you're just like, ugh. But knowing that you have nothing in your tummy, gonna pour out nothing but tears. Oh my god. As I was just laying on the couch, I was trying to process this feeling and I knew it wasn't foreign to me. I used to get this same exact feeling when I ate a lot of vegetables with little protein. So I knew this was a sign of iron deficiency. Felt it out my pores. All I wanted was meat. All I could think about was meat. I told my boyfriend I was gonna eat 10 steaks when we hang out. But also I was like, okay, 1 more day. Just 1 more day. It is day 3. 3:43. I was so busy to even eat an apple. I just finished filming and this is my room. So I want to give you guys an honest update. Let's get comfy. Last night I ended up not drinking any protein shake because, oh my gosh, I almost swallowed this piece whole. It was to the point where I'd rather just not eat anything, drink anything for dinner, and I'd rather it be that way than to drink the protein shake. Went to the gym. I was obviously out of energy. I'm just gonna do my 30 minutes and go. I couldn't even do that. I was so tired. I was so hungry. I watched mukbangs all night from 11 till 2 a.m. Fell asleep, woke up with the worst tummy ache ever. Like it felt like I needed to go poo-poo, but there was like nothing in my tummy. And it felt like I was just gonna vomit. But I got myself up because I really needed to film and get work done. So I skipped the gym this morning. Work mode, go. I feel so much better right now. Honestly, I think my body is kind of used to it. Getting past the tummy ache, nausea. My energy was definitely lower than normal when I film and I wonder why. Although I'm having an apple for lunch or breakfast, I'm gonna have dinner tonight. I'm gonna order some Korean food because that's what I'm craving. And yes, I'm still gonna go to the gym, but I wanted to break the diet today because technically I broke it yesterday when I ate sausages. I think it's important to emphasize how unhealthy this diet is. This is so dangerous for your body. I miss rice. I miss soup. Zucchini. I feel like crying. Oh my god. Appreciating. Oh my god. We're getting plump tonight. Oh my god. Oh my god. I want to talk about how much weight I lost, but that was an overview of my experience.
I am fucking crazy, but I am free.
Let's just begin by saying that I lost a total of 4 pounds during these 2.5 days. And I'm aware that that is crazy unhealthy. Yes, most of it was water weight. And also when I first went in weighing myself the night before, I chugged 2 cans of pop. So that explains why I was probably over bloated, filled with a bunch of sugar liquids. So that's probably why throughout the days that I did this IU diet, I ended up losing 4 pounds. I don't want to say this was emotionally stressful stressful for me because I was occupied most days. However, it was more of a mental stress for me when I did have my mind on food.
I was tortured.
If you try to lose weight with any kind of K-pop idol diet, the weight is definitely gonna come back quicker, if not more. So let's just keep in mind that weight loss takes time and there's no rush to it. You probably won't even notice it until a couple months down the line. You're taking time. My muscles were just being completely eaten up and destroyed, especially since I was working out and I was like getting back into weights. So I felt so sore the first 2 days and it didn't help because I wasn't eating. So my body and my muscles couldn't even properly restore itself overnight because there's like no protein. No. K-pop idols are crazy. Some, if not most of us, look at our K-pop idols and we're just like, I wish I can be as skinny as you. And we tend to praise this ideal look, but we don't consider the things they go through, the extremes they go through for the body they have, you know? Some of these idols may just go on this diet for like a week or two or like a month, but some of them go on extreme diets for years and I couldn't even go 2 days. Anyway, that is my overview on this experience. Don't recommend it, please don't do it. You can find a better way to lose weight if you really wanted to. That is it for this video. I hope you guys took away the bigger message here. If you guys want to see more K-pop lifestyle videos, then make sure to like this video and subscribe. Until next time, I'm sending love, bye.